Now you might have seen Jade rollers touted all over social media and YouTube as a miracle cure for everything from puffy skin to lymphatic drainage. Now for those of you who don't know what is a Jade roller, it is a beauty tool that uses a cool to the touch gemstone for facial massages. Now there are plenty of reasons why you might want to consider using a Jade roller. Now it is mainly used for tighter looking, puff-free skin. Now you can use a Jade roller on your face, neck and eye area. Now many people have questions about how to use a Jade roller. Well, it works for different purposes in various ways to get rid of puffiness and many more skin problems. Now, the first way to use it, you can store the Jade roller in the fridge and cool the temperature of the stone and use it in circular motion, and you can also apply a serum or moisturizer. Now all you have to do is use your usual nourishing product just before your Jade roller like this. Here you can apply, and the massaging movement of the roller can help your topical products absorb for better into your skin. Now for best results and skin health, be gentle and move in the direction of your face, natural contour. Jade rollers are the best for wrinkle-free skin. Now if you are also using a Jade roller, do let us know in what purposes and what various ways you are using the Jade roller. And also for more health related and skin related videos, do log into our website, which is known as TheHealthSite.com.